Hey guys, Joe Smith here, showing off the products that Joe Smith here got for his truck project. Got two of these. Originally got these looking for heating pad for the heated mirrors, but then found something a little bit bigger and rectangle that ended up covering more of the mirror and worked better. It turned out these are just the right size for the cup holders. And Joe Smith had just dawned on him one day that the same size as cup holder. And Joe Smith took it and measured, and yeah, sure enough, fits down the cup holders. So what Joe Smith's going to do is cut out a piece of aluminum for the backer heat shield to go against this, and the plastic, even though this probably ain't going to get high enough to really affect the plastic of the cup holder, but just a precaution. And and then just leave it exposed on top then, and have heated cup holders, and probably install a switch for each one on the lower part of the radio bezel somewhere, maybe, or below it, or down by on the cup holders themselves maybe. But it's a manual transmission Ranger. The cup holders are right down next to the shifter on the transmission hub there. So going to do heated cup holders in a Ford Ranger in 03. 4x4 Ranger. So, and going to try and make it look as stock as possible. That's all the stuff that Joe Smith's doing, making it look stock so he can fool people at car shows. Here's a heated seat kit. There's 4 heat pads, wire harness, transformer thing, switch, operate left or right, and adjust the heat settings with the dials there. And just mount that into the dash somewhere. Here's a NFC kit, and all these items came from AliExpress.com. Shipped in from China pretty cheaply too, good prices. This is your antenna card or activator card that you can keep in your wallet. So this way, lock your keys in the truck, you got your wallet card you can pull out and just wave it by the door lock and it'll unlock, or else got a little keychain fob, whatever, that you just hold it next to the door lock and it'll unlock wirelessly then. And then here's the NFC transmitter, and you just gotta wire it to one of these Arduino Nanos. So Smith got a couple of these for different projects. And then this will mount inside the door, and it'll be wired to the power door lock actuator. And then that way, wave this or the card near where this is, inside the door. It'll trigger this to pop the lock and unlock it for you. kind of a different style of keyless entry instead of a radio frequency RF. This is NFC, or basically like RFID. Now you'll be able to program your cell phone if you have NFC capabilities on your cell phone to unlock it too. Joe Smith have to try and research that a little bit more. But that's these products. Joe Smith's going to lay out some other products here for other projects and do a separate video for them. Joe Smith will try and do some progress videos here installing this stuff so you guys can see how it's done and maybe learn something. But thanks for watching. Joe Smith signing out.